Terry Hashimoto with BodiTrak. Going to demonstrate the integrated 3D with SwingGuru Motion. I'm going to flip this over to a top view so you're going to be able to see the knees go in and out. I'll roll this tape here. Watch the left knee extend. I'm 58 years old, hit a 600 about 165 normally, and this one I was able to get it to 181 validated by launch using the All About Golf Center in Charlottetown, PEI, Jim McLean's HD Golf Sim. Okay, so look at the left knee extend. I'm reaching, I'm going to go to the COP chart. I'm reaching peak velocity right there. And at peak velocity, look how far that white dot is towards my lead side. Left knee is fully extended. And this means I'm pushing the hardest on my right foot right now downward. And I'm going to go towards impact. Again, I saved this swing and I was using this. This is amazing that I can see the lead knee extending outwards. If I want to flip this over to the metrics, if I want to know what my left knee is doing, my right knee, my knee width, etc., hip turn, even the X factor, I can get all that information, get out of this, go right back to the COP chart. If I want to know what I'm doing in center of gravity, it tells you that as well. Center of mass, pardon me. And I go back to the center of pressure, which is what I'm good at. Right here, look at this. Look how far my center of pressure is to the lead side so that I can use my lead side as a resistance. But no, I don't have any backup really. It just goes to my left heel, my lead heel. Did this really well, 181 yards. Look at the kinematics, the presentation that you can use with, this is fantastic. Terry Hashimoto, BodiTrak, thanks.